Zimbabwe's investment advisor, awarded UAE Golden Visa. The 3rd of September 2025. Spread the Love by Lemuel Cheka, 263 chat reporter. Harare, Zimbabwe's special presidential investment advisor, Dr. Paul Tungwarara, has been granted a prestigious 10-year golden visa by the United Arab Emirates, UAE, a move that underscores growing trust in his business acumen and international profile. The golden visa, reserved for investors, entrepreneurs, and highly skilled professionals, allows recipients to reside in the UAE long-term, sponsor family members, and enjoy secure residency without the obligation of continuous presence. UAE authorities confirmed the approval following a rigorous background vetting process, citing confidence in Dr. Tungwarara's professional and entrepreneurial track record. A seasoned entrepreneur with diverse interests spanning real estate, infrastructure development, and cross-border trade, Tungwarara has played a key role in Zimbabwe's foreign direct investment drive under President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration. Analysts say the development could bolster Zimbabwe's economic ties with the Gulf, at a time when Middle Eastern investors are showing increased appetite for African markets. This recognition is more than personal. It reflects the growing strategic importance of Zimbabwe in global investment networks. One economic commentator noted, the UAE's Golden Visa scheme has become a coveted gateway for international investors, offering access to one of the world's most dynamic financial hubs. Dr. Tungwarara's inclusion marks a diplomatic and economic milestone for Zimbabwe,